Hello, welcome to Capsim Global DNA CompXM 4 round and 5 quizzes. Remember this for CompXM 4 round and 5 quizzes. If you do 8 rounds competition, you can check the other video. This video for the CompXM of Global DNA. So it is quite easy for finance because we just increase account receivable, use max stocks issue and issue max long-term debt, and also use the max current debt. You have enough cash here. Keep around 30,000 means 30 million to avoid any shortage of cash and avoid emergency loans. We can see the sales here very high and about 5%, of net profit. That's okay for round 1, round 2, round 3, and round 4. We have much higher sale and higher profit. If you have any question, you can send the emails or get the free support for 1 round. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.